friends. I hope all of you are fine. My name is Shayan, your WordPress instructor, and today we are going to learn how you can install WordPress on your local host. I will give you complete step-by-step guide how you can install WordPress on your local host. Basically, the purpose of this video is to install WordPress on your computer. This website on your computer will not be live, and you just this is just for the sake of practice basically. So let's first head towards Chrome, and you need to write XAMPP download in Chrome tab. All the XAMPP versions are same. You just need to click on the download XAMPP option, and basically here are three options available. You can click in any of among all these three options. I'm gonna click on the first one, so let's wait for it to download. There I have already downloaded the file, so they are saying that add a duplicate with a numbered file name. Yes, I'm just gonna click it OK, and start download. So this has been started, you can see. Let's wait for download. Hey guys, so finally XAMPP server has been installed. You can see the icon in my programs file. So I'm just gonna install it now. The next step is to install the XAMPP server. So let's install the XAMPP server. Yes, just wait, this is going to be installed now. The installation process is quite simple. This is not much complex. Okay, just click next. Make sure you have clicked all of these options. Maybe there sometime we need all options, but in order to run WordPress we just need two options, Apache and MySql. So make sure you have clicked all the options. Next, this is just for folder, in which folder you want to keep XAMPP. So this is C drive is okay for me, so I'm just clicking next. Language you can choose according to you. I'm gonna select the English language, and next. So finally installation process has been started. Let's wait for its installation. Keep calm, this will take some time, so just wait and watch. So finally XAMPP server is about to complete the installation process. Let's wait, this is just remaining 25%. um, so finally XAMPP server has been installed. Now we are going to finish it. A pop-up will open where, so make sure Apache and MySql, these two things have been started before installing the WordPress. So finally these two things have been installed. Whenever these are off, your host, your WordPress will not open on your device. So make sure these two options are started. So now we are going towards the next step, which is to download WordPress. You just head towards Chrome and write wordpress.org download. So finally head towards its website. There will be a download WordPress 5.8 version. Just download it. Okay, so they are saying that I have already installed it, but I am reinstalling just for easiness of you. So just click OK, start download. This is going to be installed now. Let's wait for installation. So finally, we will go towards download option, and here I will go in today's option. The things I have downloaded today in compress. So here are my two WordPress zip folders which I have just installed. Now what I have to do is, this is basically the third step. Remember, the first step was to install XAMPP server. The second step was to download WordPress, and the third step is now to copy the folder, copy this file. Now head towards C folder in XAMPP. Here you will find htdocs folder, this one. Just click on this and paste the file here. So the WordPress file has been pasted here. Now I am gonna extract the files, extract here. So just wait for extracting the files. So you can see a separate folder of WordPress files have been created. Now this is the fourth step to rename the file according to the name of our website. Let's say I'm gonna name on it my own name, Shayan Amjad. Just click it. Okay, so the rename, we just extracted the zip file, and the separate folder of WordPress files was created. We just rename it. Now we are gonna towards Chrome, and here towards Chrome and write localhost php my admin. So what we are going to do is, this is basically the fifth step. We have to create a database. Click on database, database name. I'm gonna name it on my folder name which I just created, Shayan Amjad. Create. So finally database have been created. Now I will write localhost. I will write my name on the folder name, basically Shayan Amjad. This is basically the next step in which we are going to install the WordPress. Now all the previous steps has been completed. This is the final step to install WordPress on your PC. So just wait. Let's wait for open this link. This will take some time. So finally, you can see on the screen language tab option has been created. I'm gonna click English United States, continue, and finally we are going to install the WordPress. Let's go. Database name, basically you have just created the database name. From here you can see the database name is Shayan Amjad. So I'm just gonna write Shayan Amjad. Username will be, you just write it as root, password, and that's it. Submit. Follow the same steps I have just do install it for installation. So finally run the installation process. Let's wait until the installation is completed. Site title, here this is basically the site title. I'm just doing it Shayan Amjad. Username is admin, and password is also admin, admin 234. So let's click confirm use a weak password. I'm just gonna click OK, and search discourage. This option should be no, sorry, this you just uncheck it, because otherwise when you will move towards online, your website will not come in search engine. So that's why just uncheck it and install WordPress. Sorry, I have not provided my email. I'm just gonna provide it. Shayan. Confirm use a weak password and install WordPress. So finally, WordPress has been installed. Now we need to log in. As you can see, I have just put admin and admin 234. Remember me. These are basically username and password I have just put in my login details. So just log in. Now we are going towards the great dashboard of WordPress. This is just going to be open. Now finally you can see the website has been installed on WordPress, has been installed on my device. Remember, this is a offline, this is offline venture. You can, this your things will not be live on this site. This is just available on your device, and this is just for the sake of practice. So I hope all of you have learned from this tutorial. Now the next step will be, we will proceed from here and we will totally convert it into either a blog or e-commerce site. We will do a lot of practice on this. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video. Allah Hafiz.